Welcome to Asia Scenic Thai cooking class. Here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, let's stir it up with sass. Start with rice noodles, silky and long. Tamarind sauce makes it tangy and strong. Add palm sugar, a bit of oil and egg. Low heat, high heat, don't let it stick to the wok. Shrimp or chicken, tofu's fine too. Add what you love, but don't forget you. Chive and sprouts, a squeeze of lime. Crushed peanuts, chili, now that's the vibe. Pad Thai, the taste is deep and wide. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, all in one bite. On an exclusive plate, it's served with pride. Come to Thailand, you must try Pad Thai. Pad Thai. Asia Scenic, steering with love. Chiang Mai flavor straight from above. Pad Thai. We serve it with a smile.